how to create a kick-ass sales funnels for affiliate marketing in just few minutes. So if you are selling any kind of affiliate product and you are trying to create a funnel where you can collect leads and you can do unlimited follow-ups with your leads, and you can send them to the affiliate page and you can promote your products and get commission out of that. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a funnel for affiliate marketing. So stay tuned, and also I have a surprise for you if you watch this video till the end. So let's dive into our laptop screen and I'll tell you how to do this.
All right, so now I am into my Clickfunnels account, and I'll show you the you can see here some of the funnels which I have created. Okay, so now I will show you the funnel which I have created to promote one funnel away challenge. This is a kind of funnel which I created, but the same principle applied to any kind of affiliate product you want to promote. So this is a 3-step actually. So in your your funnel builder, you actually need to create 2 steps, but 1 step I have created extra for a reason. I'll tell you why. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to tell you, how to structure your pages and how to put all these elements, because this is the kind of things you can do using the templates. You just need to edit some words, but yeah, if you want me to show exactly how to create anything and how to set up every kind of elements, I'll do that as well. But in this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can create how you can create a funnel and what all the things required to set up. Okay, so this is a 3-step process. So this is my opt-in page. So I am sharing a training where I have shown how you can create a sustainable source of income which will make you $1,000 a month. So if someone wants this training, they will enter their name and they will enter their email, and once they will click here, they will go to so they will go to this page, and you can see there is a timer running on. So I have put a timer. So this timer will appear after 20 minutes. So what I have done actually, once someone sign up here, okay, they will come to this page and they will see the training which I have promised, and this same training I am also delivering on the email. So if someone hit the back button and they do not watch the training, so they can again watch this. Okay, so this is my second step, and the third step what I did. Okay, so this is something which I have created. Okay, so see, if someone will come to this page, they will see all these informations after 20 minutes, and I don't want every time, because if I'll send people through this bridge page via my emails, they will not wait every time for 20 minutes. Okay, so I want them to send directly here. So if someone is familiar with Clickfunnels and watching this video, they might say, why you did not set up a revisit action. So that was something which was creating mess, so I didn't do that. Okay, so what you have to do actually, so in order to create a affiliate marketing funnel, you need 3-step funnel, and the second you need only to create 2 steps. So the first one is your opt-in page, and on your second page, what you have to do, your information should be like, okay, so your second so you see how your first opt-in page should be like this, and the second page it should be like this. Okay, so you will have a good kind of headlines that exactly fit to their needs. Okay, and after that, this is the kind of information you whatever you can show, and you can also show your transformation journey, what Russell says actually about Epiphany Bridge. So you can create this. Okay, and after that you can show some bonuses which you are offering. So you can see I am offering these amount of bonuses. Okay, so And yeah, you can also show some testimonials. So this is the kind of testimonials people have left for one funnel away challenge. So I have put that because it creates a kind of trust. So this is something what you exactly need to do. Okay, so once, I mean, if people are buying from your affiliate link, they are not paying something extra, and if you are giving these amount of bonuses, okay, so the chances are gonna higher to buy that affiliate product from your link. Okay, so this is something which you can do. So what happens? Someone opting to this page, they land to, I mean, yes, this page, and after 20 minutes, I mean, all the information which is on this page, that will start appearing. And what happens, so you need to create a follow funnel as well. Okay, so follow means you can directly connect them to your email list. So I have some follow funnels as well. Okay, let it open. Okay, so this is the OFA funnel. So actually I have created two kind of funnels. So this is the new one. Okay, so I have just created it, and you can see in the new one I have sent almost 194 emails. Okay, so I mean, this is the kind of 5-step process I have created yet. So in the first email I am delivering the training, and in the second email I am delivering the kind of backstory I have, and in the third one, I mean, I am giving them a kind of challenge. Do you have that courage? So I am but I'm actually doing this. I'm sharing kind of value, that this is the kind of things which people do not do to get success. So if you have that courage, take the action and take this challenge. And after that, I have shown the kind of overview what they are going to learn in this challenge. And after that, I have also told them, what if you get one funnel away challenge for free. Okay, so what I have done actually in this sequence, people do not value free things. So this is something which I have made realize in this step. And after that, I have also covered one more thing, degree versus skills. So a lot of people go to their universities and skill this spend so much of money, but when it comes to their self investment, they do not spend money. So I'm sharing here the kind of value. Okay, and then I'm pitching my product. Okay, so this is something which you actually need to do. And I also realized one mistake which I was doing earlier. Do not create a so long autoresponder sequence. If you think this is the kind of same process which is going to work, you can create, but have a 5 to 6 step autoresponder, and then take them to a general email list and send broadcast emails. So broadcast email is something, so if there is a kind of deal or there is a kind of offer, so whatever is going on, so you can send that offer to any kind of people. Okay, so if you want this funnel, you can DM me on Instagram. My Insta handle is I am Anand Prajapati. So you can DM me and you can get this funnel if you want this. Okay, and you can adjust it the way you want for your kind of promoting your affiliate product. Okay, so yeah, that was it for this video. And in this video I'm not showing actually to how to set up all these elements, because it is a very much time taking process. But if I get some responses, and sorry, so if you definitely want me to do that and show this everything, I will do that. So you can just mention in the comment that, okay, give me a detailed training and show how to set up all these elements. Okay, so that's it for this video.
All right, so I hope you found this video valuable. If yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of questions, doubt or suggestion, you can feel free to comment down. And yeah, as I promised, I have a surprise for you. So if you want to get a training where I have shown how you can create a sustainable source of income where you can earn $1,000 a month, so you can get the that training link in the description. And yeah, you can go and check out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned for the next video.